Rosybuds, it's Shannon, and I just got back from the beach with my family. We had a fabulous time, and if you followed me on Instagram, some of you may have seen some of those pictures. We had a great time in Sanibel, but we just got back. I am busy laundry, unpacking, etc. And while I'm doing that, I thought I'd pop on here while my hair is up, deep conditioning, and show you guys the craft I made for the trip. One of the crafts I made for the trip. And it was a big floppy sun hat with a saying on it. I've seen these all over the place at different price points, but I made one with my own saying that you guys may understand if you know my affinity for sunscreens. It's SPF and chill, or spiff and chill, as my husband thought it said, but you guys understand the reference, I hope. But anyway, you can make these with any saying you want. I made mine with this. It was really easy to make. Let me show you how. For this craft, you need very few supplies. A nice wide-brimmed hat, some puffy paint, chalk, and some kind of paper to put underneath, like parchment paper or wax paper. And then, using the chalk, sketch out your saying. You can use any saying you want. There's lots of fun ones out there. I'm partial to this one, but whatever one you like. And once your saying looks good, take your puffy paint and trace right over it. You can use any color paint you want. I just happen to like this color combination. And after I completed this project, I realized it kind of looked a little bit like sunscreen on the hat. I didn't plan it that way, but it certainly goes with the theme. In hindsight, I wish I had picked a hat with a little bit tighter weave to provide better sun protection and also to not allow any paint to drip through. It turned out fine in the end, and it was a cute hat to wear, so I'm thrilled with it. Once the paint dries, you can clean up the chalk lines with a little water, and you're ready to head outside. You certainly can use any color combination you want, any color hat, any color paint, and any saying. This is a really fun and inexpensive way to make a hat for the summertime and to get ready for beach vacations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like creative, easy DIY lifestyle topics, and I will see you soon, Rosybuds. Take care of yourself, stay creative, and I'll see you soon.